In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a SpotHero near me promo code. This information can help you save money on parking, making your experience more enjoyable. SpotHero occasionally offers promo codes for first-time users, special events, airports, and partner promotions. While there isn't a feature that shows promo codes based on your current location, you can find available offers through the SpotHero app, website, or promotional emails. By following the steps in this video, you will be able to maximize your savings. First, open the SpotHero app or website. If you're using a mobile device, tap the SpotHero app icon. If you're on a computer, navigate to the SpotHero website by typing in the URL. Once the app or website loads, you will see a user-friendly interface that guides you through the parking search process. This step is crucial because it serves as your gateway to finding parking options near you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make your experience smoother. Next, sign into your SpotHero account. If you're already a member, enter your login credentials, including your email and password, in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Click on the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to register. Signing in is important because it allows you to access personalized features, including any exclusive offers that may be available to you. Once you successfully sign in, you will be redirected to the main parking search page. Now, search for parking near your destination. In the search bar, enter the address or name of the location you are headed to. The app or website will generate a list of available parking options in that area. You will see details such as pricing, availability, and any special features of the parking facilities. This step is essential as it helps you identify the best parking options that suit your needs. Take your time to examine the choices before moving on to the next step. Before completing your reservation, look for a promo code or discount code field at checkout. This field is usually easy to spot, often located near the total price of your booking. It is important to check for this field as it is where you will enter any promo codes you may have. Make sure to have your promo code handy, as this can lead to significant savings on your parking fees. Once you locate the field, you are one step closer to applying your discount. Enter a valid promo code if you have one and apply it. Carefully type in the promo code you found, ensuring that there are no typos. After entering the code, look for an Apply button and click it. If the code is valid, you will see the total price adjust to reflect your discount. This step is crucial because it directly impacts the amount you will pay for your reservation. You can now enjoy the savings you've just unlocked. Finally, complete your reservation with the discounted price. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything is correct, including the parking location and dates. Once you confirm that all the information is accurate, click on the Final Confirmation button to secure your reservation. You will see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that your booking is complete. Following these steps not only ensures a smoother parking experience, but also maximizes your savings. Happy parking!